In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic deposits in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online offers a seamless way to handle your recurring bank deposits, saving you time and ensuring your financial processes are automated and efficient. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this set up. First, begin by clicking on the New button located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is your starting point for creating a new transaction. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Bank Deposit. This action opens up a form where you'll need to input details about the bank deposit you wish to set up. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details carefully. This includes information such as the date, amount, and any other specific details pertinent to this bank deposit. Taking your time here ensures accuracy and smooth operation down the line. Once you've filled in all the required fields, take a look at the bottom of the form. Here, you'll find a button labeled Make Recurring. Clicking this button is crucial as it transitions you from a one-time deposit to an automated recurring one. Upon clicking Make Recurring, you will enter the setup page for your recurring bank deposit template. The first step on this page is to add a template name. Choose a name that clearly identifies this recurring transaction to make it easy to locate in the future. This name serves as a reference point whenever you're managing or reviewing your recurring templates. Next, set the type of the recurring deposit to Scheduled. This designation will allow you to define exactly how often you'd like this transaction to recur. Enter a number of days in advance if there's a specific lead time required for your deposits. This not only enhances the flexibility, but also ensures that your deposits are always timely. After setting the type, it's important to select the account where the funds will be deposited. This step determines the final resting place for your funds within your financial ecosystem. Then, choose the interval for the deposits to recur, such as daily, weekly, monthly, whatever suits your business needs. Now, set the start date, the point from which these deposits should begin. If applicable, select an end date as well. This is especially useful for temporary recurring transactions or those tied to a specific time frame. Proceed to input the accounts from which the funds will be drawn, along with the corresponding amounts. This ensures your deposits have source accounts clearly defined. Once you've meticulously filled out all these details, the final step is to click Save Template. The saving of this template completes the setup process, effectively automating your deposits moving forward. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully set up automatic deposits in QuickBooks Online, paving the way for streamlined financial operations.